Curious about how AI is changing marketing? You're not the only one, and it's a great question asked because, unpopular opinion, if you're not using AI in the next 5 years, you're definitely falling behind. In this video, I'll share how AI is already transforming the marketing industry, how AI will continue to change marketing and business, and the top 3 ways to use AI in your marketing today. Plus, stay tuned for the end because I have a free gift for you that's going to help you use AI in your marketing faster, easier, and better. The number 1 reason you need AI in your business and your life is speed. It helps you move from point A to point B a lot faster. It's like taking an airplane from Florida to Canada in only a few hours instead of days or weeks that it might take you with a horse and buggy. With the help of AI, everything is moving forward a lot faster, and if you're using it correctly, a lot better too. If you want to stay ahead of the game, if you plan to have a business in the next 5, 10, and beyond years, AI is going to be a must for you. AI even allows you to be able to compete with some of the bigger names in your industry that have giant teams that are doing work for them. AI can be that giant team for you. I know that might be intimidating. My background is in copywriting, and so going from being a copywriter to now training in AI, I can tell you that when ChatGPT especially first came out, I was a little bit nervous. My entire business and livelihood revolved around being able to write copy for people. And we were making a great living doing it. But then I started playing with ChatGPT and I thought, well, crap, things are about to change a lot. And I figured I can either pivot and lean into it, or I can run from it and really be kicking myself a few years from now. And so that's why I decided to lean into it. But if you're feeling a little apprehensive, I get it. It's a good thing I leaned into AI when I did though, because so many of the people we were working with doing done-for-you email marketing have transitioned into using AI to help, at least in part, with their email marketing, to the point that we decided to shut down our email marketing agency and go all in with AI. So when I'm talking about AI changing things in the marketing industry, that's a huge way that it's changing things. But with any new revolution or technology like the internet, there's going to be jobs that are lost, but there's also going to be a lot of jobs that are created. If you're in a field like copywriting, business coaching, social media creation, content creation, you want to be paying attention to the trends of people who are content, human-driven emails, human-driven copy, and going to AI instead. Just like the stock market, you want to have a plan for what you're going to do and when. Change is coming with AI, so it's better to have a plan now. How long do you want to stay in your current business? Do you want to sell it? Do you want to keep it? You want to think about these kind of things and how AI is going to impact that. But here are a few ways that AI is already impacting the marketing industry. First, it's making it way more easy and accessible for people who don't have a background in copy and in marketing to get started with a business and to do well in their business. Now, I'm not saying that you should take something you've never done before, you don't have any expertise in, and all of a sudden say, I'm an expert in this. Nobody wants that. But what I am saying is take the things that you're an expert in and then pair that with ChatGPT, pair that with AI to help you refine what you're already doing, to help you do it better, to help you communicate it better. This has never been a better time for experts to stop being the best kept secret. A lot of times I see people who are experts who do really well in their field, but then have a hard time communicating that to others in a way that the other person wants to buy from them. And the crappy part is what usually happens is that somebody will buy whatever's the best marketing, even if that's not the best product or service. With the help of AI, you can write better marketing copy faster and easier. Another way that AI is transforming the marketing industry is that it's helping people come up with potential objections ahead of time and then also bust them, and also come up with bonus ideas or upsell ideas for the person that they're talking to that helps them say yes to that offer. In other words, we're able to reach our customers where they're at a lot faster. There's a lot of ways you can use AI in your business, but my top 3 is number 1, content creation. My favorite way to do this is to upload a transcript that I already have and then try this prompt. I want you to review the transcript and information about my audience and business that I'll put below. After reviewing it, I want you to consider best practices for Facebook posts or whatever you want to do, emails, Facebook posts, Instagram, just be really specific about what it is, and create a Facebook post for me based on this transcript. Pull from the transcript for content, and then give me additional ideas for more content. Then you're going to input information about your audience, your transcript, your brand, and just like that, you have a Facebook post that's actually from your content, just repurposed. You can do this with old content, new content. Either way, it makes content creation go from 2-week process to about 2 minutes. My second of the top 3 ways to use AI in marketing is to use it for your sales page copy. A lot of times when I work with people and they say, oh, my launches aren't working or my offer stinks, it's really not that their launch isn't working or their offer stinks. It's just either that 1, they don't have enough traffic, or 2, their messaging isn't clear enough. And if they're getting enough traffic, 9 times out of 10, the issue isn't the offer, it's that they're not clear about what the offer is. So people are getting to their page, but they're walking away feeling confused about what it is that they're actually gonna get, what the offer is, how it's going to help them. This happens a lot with people who are experts in their field, but maybe not, experts in marketing, and that's okay. AI can help with that. What you can do is copy and paste your sales page, put it into ChatGPT, and say, I want you to review this sales page and tell me who you think my audience is, what you think the unique value proposition is, and what you think you'll get if you bought this offer. By having ChatGPT, which is an objective bystander, take a look at your sales page, you're gonna get ideas on where maybe your copy isn't that great or where it's lacking, where it's confusing. And then from that, you can say, okay, ChatGPT, now I want you to revise this sales page. Here's the information that I need to clarify that you got wrong, or here's the information I need to clarify that goes beyond what you said already. I want you to redo the sales page so that it has the highest chance of conversion and so that it's really clear what the offer is and who it's for. By doing this, you'll be able to create better copy that resonates with your audience and makes it really clear who the offer is for and what the offer is. The third of my top 3 ways to use AI for marketing is to do your launch emails. Launch emails can take a really long time to write. In fact, if you're doing, let's say, a 5-day launch, you can expect to write anywhere from 5 to 8 emails. But they're not normal emails where you're just sharing a story or connecting with your audience. They're emails that need to convert. Especially if you're putting all this time, energy, and sometimes money into a launch, you need to be able to see that and more back. If you have the traffic, your messaging is clear, the emails need to be just as clear. One of the best emails that I send out that gets the most sales for us is an X-ray email. It takes people behind the scenes so they can see what was actually offered in the product. And because it's so clear on what's included and who it's for, we see a lot of sales from that one. We also see a lot of sales from FAQ emails. These emails are emails where I take any question that I've gotten and I answer that question in the email. Most of the time when people don't buy, if they're a good fit for your offer, it's because they just don't understand what the offer is or how it's going to apply to them. So an FAQ email, an X-ray email helps with that. Writing emails on your own can be really time consuming and honestly kind of exhausting, especially if you don't have a background in marketing. And that's where I come in. I have a free gift for you that's going to help you create all your launch content in the next 2 hours with the help of AI and the prompts that I've created. Now these are prompts that I've created over the last 2 years. I've edited them, I've tweaked them, and then 3 years prior to that, I've spent time as a copywriter, email marketer, preparing for launches, doing launches, writing for launches. And so it takes everything from that side of what I've done plus the AI side and combines it to produce really high quality launches for you. My name is Brittany Long. Click the link that comes with this video and you're going to get my workshop AI to 10K for free so you can have your next launch be your best launch.